So you've guessed it. It is time for another Rambler Reno update. Stay tuned. All right, so it is Ashley. I'm a real estate agent up here in Everett, Washington, and I am going to update you on the progress of our laundry room half bath renovation. So what you will see in the video is that we have gotten some drywall up. I also have some snapshots of the concrete board that has gone down for the tiler. And so far it looks awesome. Okay, so it's going really great. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the footage. So here we go. All right, it's been a minute. All right, so here's what we've got done. So the drywall is up. You can see that. And it is all taped and mudded. We have the garage door installed. Let's see if we can get in here. Yep. So this will be the entry into the garage door. Let's see. So you can see that. Give you a little bit of light. Yep. Up and around. Okay, and we're on the subfloor here. This will be the entry into the kitchen. Wow, this is really feeling like more of a finished space. It's amazing. Let's see. So next steps. We are going to get the tiler in. So the reason this wall is still open is they're going to put cement board. They're going to cement board this. Also, it looks like they're going to probably also cement board the subfloor. And then we'll have tile throughout. So it'll be nice finished tiled space. We of course have the furnace, which I think you already know about. The water heater will be going over here in this corner, which works. Awesome. Let's see. And then we have this lovely window that's bringing some natural light into this space. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Yeah, everything is kind of coming together. Coming in really nice. So really the next steps would be, yeah, tiler, prime it, paint it. All right, so you saw that, okay? So it looks awesome so far, okay? I mean, you can really see the spaces. You can see where the entry is going to be into the kitchen. The entry is like all framed out and drywalled for the bathroom, which is incredible. And we also have, of course, you saw at the end those couple of photos of where the concrete board is, where we're going to put the tile. So next steps, as I said, get the tiler in here and get the tile down. So kind of like we can get that hot water in, okay? Because we have not had hot water for a long time. All right, so if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe, like the video, and check out my website, ashleybolden.com, and I will see you again soon, YouTube.